What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mills and I'm back with another sneaker review for you guys. Before I get into review, I just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers, helping my channel grow, hit me with those likes, subscribing. Make sure y'all keep doing that, help me out. But without further ado, let's get into the review. We got the Air Force One Low Supreme size 12. Got your box logo on the side there. Got your other box logo on the side of the box there. And then on the top, you got that shiny Nike with the swoosh. Pull these bad boys out for y'all. Here y'all go. Y'all see the logo. I know what it is. Nike Supreme Air Force One. I did wear these already, so they do have the creases. There you go, Nike Supreme Air Force Ones. I did wear them already, so they do have the creases. I mean, the only difference is from this Air Force One Supreme and a regular Air Force One is pretty much some of the detailing and the branding that it has, but that's pretty much it. Of course, you got your embossed Supreme right there. These released back in March, and I finally was able to scoop up a pair. On the tongue, you got Nike Air, and it also says Supreme down there in white. See if you guys can see that. And then on the Dubre as well, you got Air Force One Supreme etched in there. And then on your insole, you got your Supreme Nike all white insole. Should have not wore black socks with these. That was a bad idea, but it is what it is. But yeah, man, this is your regular Air Force One. Nothing crazy about it besides that. But I think that when these first came out, people was not really feeling them, talking about, oh, why did Supreme do something a little different, add this or add that. But I think the Supreme went perfectly by just adding that right there, because everybody knows that. That's universal now. Everybody knows that box logo. But these are crazy. I'm gonna throw these on feet and I'll be right back. So that was the on feet. Just a quick review on the Supreme Nike Air Force Ones. Nike Air on the back, nothing different back there. It's all the same on the shoe. Besides that, same standard Air Force One leather. Ain't got much going on different there. They also did release a black pair along with these. The black pair is kind of cool too. Maybe I'll scoop those up down the line. But I really like the white pair more. But I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Just something real quick, nothing too crazy. And until the next review, I'm out. Peace.